What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the Card Hunters channel. Today I have a special video that to me was expensive. I ended up picking up 30, that's right, 30 booster packs of the Surging Spark. So this video is going to take some time because I've got 30 to go through. Thank you for joining us again, and let's see what we get. So I push these forward. Be quick with it. Magneton, Jasmine's Gaze, Severledge EX. Not bad, not bad. Here's a code card. I'm actually going to start giving these out. So here's the first code card. Pause that, save that if y'all want it. I swear I better get I better get a Pikachu today. Swablu, Cast Form, Sunny Form, that's kind of cool. Keep that. It's a reverse hollow, but here's the code card. Pause that.
I'm ready to join you.
Ready to join? Open up some cards?
Yeah.
Okay.
I kind of want to open some with you too.
Okay. Surfer, Appleton, Oranguru, Turtonator, Slocking EX. Put that to the side. Code card. Sandigast.
Oh, Slacking, that's a good card.
Togepi, Magnezone, Technical Machine Fluorite.
Oh, that's awesome. It's a rainbow.
Quaxwell,
Oh!
Tatsugiri
Wait,
EX.
remember we got them last time.
Yep.
Yeah, it's a different one. Now we're getting all the shinies. Like the terrestrialized ones.
I want the Pikachu.
Me too.
That's what I want.
Then why are you throwing on the floor?
Gotta open these quick. We got 30 whole packs.
Yeah.
Surfer again. Registeel. Walrein. Slakoth. Trapinch. Terapagos. We have 2 of those now.
Yeah. Hey, guess what?
What?
This because that Severledge EX, because the Pokemons that they're terrestrialized in this set they all have like big things like Terra Crowns, and they show like every type. And guess what? That means that it's actually a new type.
Precious Trolley. Look.
Oh! And guess what, everyone? And then when Pokemon terrestrialized into that, now they had a new type called Stellar type.
Stellar?
Yeah, that means like you can transform the Pokemon into like a terrestrialized, but it has like every type above it, like this.
Like what?
Like this.
Oh, the Jewel type?
Yeah, that they have like every type. Like, look, this is fire, water, ice, fairy, electric, grass, ghost, sidekick,
Nothing.
dark, like that. Yeah, that shows every type in it.
No, really?
Yeah, and guess what? Terapagos actually has that type.
Oh, it does?
It's because it's sadly not in the cards. That's why. It only shows you like the original types. What's actually a real type, and Terrabogos is actually the stellar type.
I didn't know.
Yeah.
Oh,
Because on her.
that's a good card right there.
Oh!
Finally, something good.
Because on Terrabogos' shell, it shows like every type like this, the stellar crowns.
Hold on 1 second, buddy. That's a good card right there. If I'm not mistaken, that's one of the top 10 basic.
Wait a minute. Is it my turn?
Here and a few more.
Okay. After a few more, I can
join in.
All right.
Since there's so many, I'm just going through them fast.
Guys, fun fact that for my region, I actually have for like the little thing like in
Another
Scarlet
Tropicos?
Highland. The new idea was like terrestrializing, but my region is a different story. It is about switching types. And introduce to you switching types. So that means
He likes to make up different things.
so then when you're in battle, then there's like you have like a ring on. You have like a bracelet band that shows like a rainbow Pokeball. And then after that, you can activate it because you can return your Pokemon in the Pokeball. Put it above like the little holder of the bracelet, and it transforms it with power, and you bring on your Pokemon again, and then it switches the Pokemon's type from the enemy to your own Pokemon. Like, for example, like I am battling my dad, and then he has Fluttermane, and I have Pikachu. I activate it, and then
Tatsugiri again.
oh, that's awesome! And then after that, then my Pikachu becomes a psychic type, and then the Fluttermane becomes an electric type.
Really? I didn't know that.
Yeah, that's my idea for the region. And then there's so many combinations to make in battle, because then
Right
your
on.
Pokemon
Ninetales.
can be different.
Mega Tumbler.
And then your Pokemon can have like a different type, and there's so many types that your Pokemon can choose to be. It just depends on what kind of type your enemy's Pokemon is.
Let's get that Pikachu, man. We need the Pikachu.
Yeah, we need to get the Pikachu.
That's a cool card.
Guess what, everybody?
Another Executor from yesterday.
Oh, that's awesome. Guess what, everyone? Tomorrow, I'm going to have something fun tomorrow. I
What?
have a carnival at school.
Oh yeah. Yeah, that's gonna be fun. We're gonna.
Yeah.
There's this game where you can like throw the ping pong balls into the little glasses of water, and you win a fish.
And my grandma works at school, and she's just selling like the snack like nachos.
Yeah. Chill teaser toy.
Oh, another Fluttermane.
Bruxish. Precious Trolley. Callbill. Another
They bought a
Terrapagos.
lot of good stuff. Oh, they were getting free Terrapagoses.
Where's it at? Oh, I shouldn't open it like that. I didn't bend them. I did not want to open. Blitzel.
Then I'm gonna
Rufflet.
count all the terrestrializers we got. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, we got 5. I mean,
Surfer.
we actually have 6. We actually have 8.
That right there.
Because Terrabogos is actually actually counts because he's a stellar type.
Non-hollow.
That's awesome. Richard, stop that. And nothing good this time. Well, we still got like a lot of stuff. Now look at how many shinies we got.
Nothing. The best one, I believe, is the
Pikachu.
no, Hydreigon EX.
How does this a good one?
I just put it to the side. It's just a reverse hollow.
Oh, okay. I was like, what? How is that a good card? Are you blind or something?
A little bit.
Oh, alright. Are you ready to get it?
I'm trying to.
Remember we got to, what was it called again? Oh, yeah,
Manifest it? Well, I kept saying we're gonna get it. It just hasn't popped its head out yet.
They just have
Non-hollow Jasmine's Gaze.
You just have to keep saying it.
Reverse hollow. Clavipus reverse hollow. Turnitus, that's pretty
Ooh.
cool. Be careful not to hit those, please.
Alright.
Come on. Man. Striking out of 30 packs here.
Can I get a turn?
Yep.
Alright. Because I know I'm gonna get it.
Wheeler out. Dog has to go potty. My arms are actually getting tired. Surfer. Sylveon EX, that's a good card right there. Let's go.
Let's see.
Sorry. See it?
Oh, it's sick.
Mm-hmm. Set that right there. Don't careful with that one.
Mm-hmm. They got 14 good cards. That's a lot, right?
Yeah. Roughly. A Lowland Diglett. Is it rude? Nothing.
What about me? I haven't got to try.
Hey, you open those 5 right there.
Mm-hmm.
I wish these would open up a little bit easier. Grab me the scissors, please. Okay. So these are hard to open. Klefki. I've got 3 more. He's got 5 over there. And I still have not pulled it. I really hate doing this. Doesn't really help a little bit. Oops, sorry. Kirby can wait outside. Another Jasmine's Gaze, that's non-hollow. Time. I don't know if that's a good one. I'll set it to the side for now though. Basic Energy, code card. Oh, drop my cards. That would be horrible if I had cut through the cards on accident.
Then in case if you got something good, it'll be a fad.
Come on, Pikachu.
I know you're in here.
Everybody else has one.
Yeah, we don't.
Another
yet.
Lisa's Appeal.
But we do not.
My
yet.
arm is hurting. Precious Trolley. I don't want Precious Trolley.
Why do we always get the Precious Trolley? Well, at least it's a good card, right?
Nope.
With the shiny.
Nobody wants no Precious Trolley.
But if you guys want Precious Trolley.
I'm starting to get tired.
When I can,
Heliolisk.
when I can replace you, Daddy.
Magnemite. Esparta. Another Quick Wit. Kilowattrel. Scatterbug. Bronzer. Rabska. Energy. Out of my cards.
You did not get anything.
I got some.
I'm just a bit jealous you got all of that, and I only have to open like 5.
So far, look at all that trash. This is where we're at.
Okay, I'm open. Okay, it's time. Let's get that Pikachu. If I get it, I am going to literally scream so bad, cry,
Hopefully you get it.
frustrated, happy, sad, all the emotions at the same time. And if I do it, I'm gonna actually. I just had no
I
choice.
swear, if this doesn't get Pikachu, no more cards. ... from this series.
Okay, just so cool. Oh, Goldenberry. Oh, Paltain Tauros. Feebas.
Come on, baby. Nope.
Oh my god.
Was there a code card? Let's start giving these code cards away. Nope. Don't bend them. Oh, be careful. There you go.
I think I saw something shining. Well, I think, or I think it's just a code card because they always shine.
Code cards don't shine.
Well, they do. Well, sometimes they
Watch
do.
your others.
Oh, sorry.
I have it. Just a second. Nope.
Oh my god.
3 more.
I swear, if I don't get it, I'm going to literally rage at this point. Then why do you always want to show the code card?
Some people can use them.
Oh, alright.
You're not using Kirby outside the bucket.
Yeah, because they're actually useless. Yeah, because the code cards are actually just useless.
But they're for online cards.
Or sure when you go play the game, you can get the cards that you got from your pack, and then you can use them in the game.
Pack.
Okay.
I see something shining back there.
Okay, me too. Terror Orb. Alonadodrio. Panseer.
Come on, that was a Rabsca.
How did you? Because I got something.
2 more.
If we don't get it, I will literally rage at this point.
Frustrating.
Daddy, I'm getting more. I'm getting more upset.
Well, we just gotta buy more and more.
Yeah.
Let me get 300 packs, please.
I hope we. Oh.
Don't bend them.
Oops, sorry. Shuttle. Give me Google. I'm going it. Ooh, ready steel. Please.
Tapu Koko. Nope.
Oh my god.
Wow. 30. Well, we got one more. This is it right here.
If
not, this will be 30 packs.
But we did
30 packs. And then we have the 2 ETBs. Then we have the 6-pack bundle. And then we had the other 8 or 10 packs.
I'm getting more angry.
No, I'm not angry. It's fun. We still got some good cards.
You know what I'm saying? I'm getting good. I'm getting
But I
angry.
want that darn Pikachu.
I'm really getting so frustrated.
It's alright.
I guess we'll never get it. I guess we'll
Saw
never.
something shiny, but I'm sure it's going to be some
Bad card.
precious trolley or something goofy.
Warren.
Oh, look at that.
I'm just scared. Please.
Nope. They don't have it.
Oh my god.
30 packs. So we got a Terapagos, Slucking Terapagos, Mega Blower, Cerulege, Tatsugiri, Precious Trolley, Hydreigon EX, Terapagos, Time, Tatsugiri, Sylveon EX, which is a good card, Precious Trolley, Surfer, another Executor EX.
I hate this. I'm saying I hate these.
Oh yeah, me too. Well, guys, we did not get it today, which means we got to buy 50 more packs tomorrow. Thanks for watching. If you haven't already, click like, subscribe, leave a comment. If you've gotten the Pikachu already, how many packs did it take you to get it? This thing is staying as far away from me as possible. I cannot get it.
Me too.
Well, thank you for watching our video today, and we'll have to see you in the next one because I'm not letting this Pikachu go. Have a good one.
Bye.